Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you. Today I'm going to put together my weighted hula hoop that was purchased on Amazon Prime Day 2020, and I'm going to be retiring my old weighted hula hoop. So let's get started. I'm about to put together my weighted hula hoop that was purchased on Amazon Prime Day 2020, and it is by Oxier. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Don't judge me. But look, they even have a twist on how the word hula hoop is spelled. As long as I can remember, hula was H-U-L-A, but I don't know where they say it all over the world. So they put a nice twist on it and they call it hula hoop, yes. But they also have on the box, they have a set of instructions on what you should do prior to any physical activity, which is to warm up and stretches. But they forgot to put on there to get the advice from your medical physician prior to starting any fitness or eating plans. Now, it came with a set of instructions also. They gave me two, which God only knows that I need it. But it tells you about all the different parts and how to link them together. But also on the back, the very important part is they have the different sizes, 6, 7, and 8, which of course, as you lose weight, you will take it down, take a link out in size. I hope you're going down and not up, because if you do it every day, it will work. You will lose the inches, but you also have to eat healthy as well, eat to live strong. And of course, they have the different parts, the weighted parts to the hula hoop. And these are the ones that you snap in, and then you can disassemble them the same way. So when I finish with this, I will show you how to take it apart as well on another video. And it came with a jump rope. So let's go ahead and get started with putting this together. Oh, Lord Jesus, please help me. Putting this together. So the idea is to go ahead and get the hula hoop pieces all set up in a huge circle, and you have the colors alternated, pink, gray, pink, gray, pink, gray. You get the picture all the way around. And then the next part is getting them together. And then once you get them together, you push the button down on the side. There's a red button here. Let me just take that out. Got the red button here on the side. You press it down, and you go ahead and you get it where it can go into the hoop, and you wait until you hear it snap. Once you hear it snap, that means that it's secure, but it's got to snap. So until it snaps, it's not secure. There you go. You heard the snap. So that's how you do it. Then we're going to go ahead and go around with getting this together. This is too funny. All right. Push the button in. That snapped in really neatly. Okay, let's go on around. Push your button in. Make sure you push it in. Push it in until it gets into a secure spot. Snap. Push and snap. Push and snap. Okay, there we go. Push it in. Keep the button pushed until it gets secure in the spot, and then you hear snap. Snap. There we go. You're alternating the color pink and gray, pink and gray. Push your button in and get it snapped. So it gets into a secure spot. Some of them are not that easy to push in. There we go. Snap. Pink and gray. Oh. And pushing the button in here on the pink. There we go. Is the button pushed in still? No. Push it in until you get to a secure spot. There we go. It's insecure, and then you know it's secure when you hear what? Snap. There we go. And then we have another one. Voila, it is done. Yes. Okay, so I know I said that I would do this in a separate video to take it down, take it apart, disassemble it, but it's easy, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you really quick. All you got to do is look for the red button. It's hidden underneath the foam. Push it in and make sure you push it all the way in, and then just pull it apart. And there you go. Snaps apart. Easy peasy. Do the same thing. Just go back around and look for the red button underneath the foam. And let's see. It's going to be underneath here somewhere. Just roll it back. It's foam. It should not break or tear. Let's go under here and see if we can find it here. So this is going to be your only task, is to find that red button. And let's see. There we go. It's underneath here in the pink. You see it? It's underneath. So when you get underneath there, you're going to just easily press it down, all the way down, and make sure it snaps apart. There you go. This is made for easy storage because my other hula hoop did not have a release button to take it apart. It just had one area to just pull it apart, and then you have to struggle to push it back together. So once I put it together, I did not take it apart. But again, it's not good for storage. This here will give you easy storage. So once again, you're gonna go underneath the phone and you're gonna find that red button so that you can push it all the way in so it will release the parts. So this is probably the most trickiest part of the whole entire setup, is to go under and find that red button. You found it here. You're gonna push it in, all the way in. Once you push it in, see, let me pull that phone back a little bit more. You're gonna push it all the way in. And once you push it in, you should be able to release it. So this one is done. Here's the snap. And that's ready to go back into the box, or if you have a little area that you keep your workout equipment, maybe a little bag. Some of the hula hoops did come with a bag that you can easily store it, or take it with you to the gym or vacation, so you don't miss a day of work hula hooping, you know? So here's, where's the red button here? There it is. Find the red button. You see how far you have to go down to release this? Now, Walmart has one that I'm going to test it out and review, so be on the lookout for that one, because that one is easier than this, much easier. Okay, so there we have it all the way down, and there you go. Here's the snap. The only thing I'm going to say about this that I'm not going to like is that you see how it leaves imperfections in the phone, and I can tell that over time that's not going to be a nice thing, because what happened is it'll start tearing apart. So I'm actually going to say with this hula hoop, I'm probably not going to like this one or keep it because of the imperfections. I don't know if you can see. Let me put it up. See how it's starting to wear here, and I just put it together. Thinking that I may not keep this one. Plus, it's not as heavy as I would like it to be. I tried to hula hoop with it. There will be a video of me hula hooping, but I did not particularly like how it handled. It was a little wobbly, and it did not hold up as well as my good old faithful hula hoop that I would like to retire. But you see the picture of the difference in sizes. So the original hula hoop that I have, it is really too. There's your red button there. It is too big because I've lost a lot of weight. So it's doing more damage than it is helping me. So some of these, once you get the button in there, it's just getting it apart. And because this is a product that's new, I'm really afraid of snatching it because I don't want to break it. But it's easy to take it apart, and then you just put it together on your put it back in the box or the bag if you have a bag for it. But let's get this all finished up. We only have, what, 2 more to take apart. But finding that red button is the trick. And here's the red button here. See it there? Right there. And then you just push it in as far as all the way until you can see that it's hollowed out. And once you get it all the way down, then you should be able to pull it apart. There you go. Snap, snap, snap. But again, it gives you imperfections, which I don't particularly like that, because I know over time, and not so much over time like years, I'm thinking because I hula hoop daily, and if I'm taking this apart and put it away for storing, red button, I can see now that this is going to become a problem. So I am more than likely going to return this one, and I've already got another one on order, and then I have one that's from Wally World, which I don't particularly shop at Walmart, but I've seen people, my niece has one from Walmart, and she really loves it. And it's easier. Okay, last one to take down, guys, and I'm trying to find that red button. There it is. And it wasn't as bad setting it up at all. It looked a little more challenging, but it was very easy to set it up. There's that red button. You push it all the way in. And if you have large fingers and whatnot, it's going to be a challenge for you to take that apart. So I think I would go with the one from Walmart or another one that don't have to go through all of that to get it to put it together. But there you have it. You put these back in the bag or the box or wherever you have, and you've got your hula hoop disassembled, and it slides under the fan, under the couch, wherever you have your workout equipment. So that's it. That concludes my video. I thank you so very much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you again. Review the full video. Give me that thumbs up. Share me out, because sharing is caring. Then go down below, subscribe to the channel, and then click the notification bell so you can be notified of all of my videos. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.